Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. We are here to present our management accounting assignment for session 3 2025-2026. Our team consists of Harisul, FIRDAUS, DANISH and RAFIQIN. So today we will walk you through the sales production and cost analysis for our featured product, which is product 1, 2-in-1 sofa bed, and product 2, premium wardrobe.
So our company is involved in the retail and supply of home furniture. We offer modern and functional furniture design to be stylish, durable and affordable for everyday living. So our product is focused on practically comfort and modern design to enhance home space. Our business objectives is we aim to provide practical, stylish and affordable furniture solution that improve the appearance and convenience of every home. And our business capital is from the owners of the company, which is the saving, and the total capital is for RM 1 million. This also include for the delivery van, which is the cost of delivery van is 120,000. And our business location is at nombor 10 Jalan Impian 2, Taman Pangkalan Impian, Ayer Molek, Melaka. So this is our management team. The first one is Muhammad Harisul bin Ali. He is a managing director and he's responsible for overall management, strategic planning and key decision making. Second, we have Muhammad FIRDAUS bin RAMLI. He is a marketing manager and in charge of advertising, branding strategies and customer engagement. Third, we have Muhammad IZHAR. He is a operation manager and he are responsible for the overseas stock control, packaging process and delivery operation. And the last one, we have RAFIQIN AQIL bin RAZIZ. He is a financial manager and responsible for preparing, managing and monitoring the business budget. This is our first product, which is 2-in-1 sofa bed. For the selling price is 2,049 ringgit Malaysia, and the product features is anti-stain and water repellent fabric. For estimate sales unit in quarter 1 2026, we estimate 70 units sold, and for the quarter 2 2026, 41 units sold. And for the estimate closing inventory quarter 4 2025, 70 unit, and for the quarter 1 2026, 20 unit, and quarter 2 2026, 32 unit. For the first material is stainless steel, which is cost per unit is 15 ringgit per kilo. So we are required to 18 kilo, and 18 kilo will be multiplied with 15 ringgit, and the cost will be RM 270. For the second material is fabric cushion, and cost per unit is 50 ringgit per meter, and we are required 7 meters, and 7 meter will be multiplied with 15 ringgit, and the cost will be 350 ringgit. This is estimated closing inventory for material A, which is stainless steel, for quarter 4 2025, which is RM 4,519. For quarter 2 2026, which is 5,400. For quarter 2 2026, which is RM 8,640. For material B, fabric cushion, for quarter 4 2025, which is RM 5,950. For quarter 2 2026, RM 17,000. And for quarter 2 2026, RM 11,200. We have 2 direct labor. The first one is carpenter, and the labor rate for per hour is 14 ringgit. For second labor, we have finishing worker, which is for 1 hour, the labor rate is 12 ringgit.
This is our product, premium wardrobe. We stated price at 3,699 ringgit. It features adjustable shelf and is built with anti-scratch, moisture resistant materials. For the first half of 2026, we have the following sales target. For the quarter 1, we targeted sales for 68 units, and for the quarter 2 we target the sales will gain to 39 units. At the end of quarter 4, we estimated 14 units, and quarter 1 we estimated 18 units, and quarter 2 we estimate 28 unit of closing inventory. And for the direct materials, to maintain high quality, we use two primary materials. Number one is high quality plywood, cost RM4 per square feet, requiring 305 square feet per unit. And material 2, we use steel rods that cost RM40 per meter, requiring 2 meters per unit. Labor, we utilize two specialized teams, which is number one is assembling. Assembling, we required 5 hours per unit at RM13 ringgit per hour. Second labor, finishing, that required 3 hours per unit at RM10 per hour. This ensures every wardrobe is crafted with precision. This is our quarter 1 2026 factory overhead cost. Number 1 is factory rent. Cost of factory rent is RM 9,000 per month times with 3 months, and the total is RM 18,000. And number 2 is utilities. Cost is RM 2,250 ringgit for quarter 1. Machine maintenance, the cost is RM 1,500 per month times with 3 months, and the total is 4,500. Depreciation on delivery van. Cost of the van RM 120,000 times with 12% of depreciation percentage, and times with 3/12 months. Total is RM 3,600. And number 5 is wages for janitor, RM 2,700. Number 2, selling and administration cost for the quarter 1. Number 1 is transportation cost. Total is RM 750 ringgit. And number 2 is marketing and advertising. Total is RM 3,000. 4 is office salary, one worker only, RM 6,900. And number 5 is sales commission. Total is 8,400. This is our quarter 2 2026 factory overhead cost. And number 1 is factory rent, 18,000 for the quarter. Utilities, the cost is RM 2,250 ringgit for the quarter 1. And number 3 is machine maintenance, is RM 4,500. And depreciation on delivery van, total is RM 3,600. And number 5, wages for janitor, RM 2,400. Quarter 2, selling and administration cost for the quarter 2. Transportation cost 750 ringgit. Marketing and advertising is RM 3,000. Office salary, we pay for the one worker only, is RM 6,900. Sales commission is RM 8,400.
So for the next part, I will be presenting the financial planning and performance analysis for the Tak Berhad on first quarter of 2026. Our focus is on two core products, which is the 2-in-1 sofa bed and the premium wardrobe. Starting with our sales budget, we anticipate the total revenue of 431,460 ringgit Malaysia, driven by the sale of 72 sofa beds and 68 wardrobes. To meet this demand, we maintaining our planned closing stock. So our production budget is next on our direct material purchase budget, which is total up of 122,000 ringgit with a high quality plywood and being our largest material investment. So the next one on our direct labor budget accounts, we different of specialized skill, which is for sofa bed, we focus on carpenter and finishing, while the wardrobe require assembling and finishing. So the total direct labor cost are calculated based on specific our rates ranging from 14 to overheads. We use a predetermined over absorption, which is OHA, based on our labor hours. and resulting in 30 ringgit 61 cents per hour. When we consolidated material, labor and absorbent overhead, the total cost per unit comes to 972 ringgit 88 cents for the sofa bed and 1,639 ringgit 88 cents for the premium wardrobe. Finally, looking at our absorption costing income statement, we see a strong performance. The sofa bed generate a net profit of 59,030 ringgit, while the premium wardrobe contributed about 92,170 ringgit. Despite the significant fixed costs like factory rent and machine maintenance, both product lines remain highly profitable. This confirms that our current pricing and production strategy is well positioned for the year ahead. Thank you.
Okay, so we go to the sales budget for the quarter 2 2026. Products 2-in-1 sofa bed, expected sales 41 units, selling price 2,499 ringgit units, then total sales 102,459 ringgit. For the product premium wardrobe, expected sales units is 39 units, selling price 3,699 units, and for the total sale is 144,261 ringgit. So the total of the two product is 246,720. So we go through for the production budget for quarter 2 2026. 2-in-1 sofa bed, expected sales 41 units, premium wardrobe 39 units, at plate closing stock 2-in-1 sofa bed 32 units, and for the premium wardrobe 28 units. For the total unit required, 2-in-1 sofa bed is 73 units and the premium wardrobe is 67 units. And last, planned opening stock 20 units for the 2-in-1 sofa beds and 18 units for the premium wardrobe. So for the production required, 2-in-1 sofa bed required 53 units, and for the premium wardrobe is 49 units. So the total of the two product is 102. So let's we go through for the direct material uses budget for the quarter 2 2026. For the stainless steel, production required units is 18 kilograms, and for the usage is 738 units. For the fabric cushion, required units for making the 2-in-1 sofa bed is 7 meters and usage 287 units. Okay, for the premium wardrobe, using high quality plywoods required 305 square feet and usage of 11,895 square feet. For the steel rods, required 2 meters and the usage is 78 units. For the direct material purchase for the quarter 2 2026, stainless steel, fabrication, high quality plywood and steel rods. For the total material usage, stainless steel 738, fabric cushion 287, high quality plywood 11,895, and for the steel rod is 78. So at planning closing of stock material, stainless steel 576, fabric cushion is 224, high quality plywood is 8,540, and steel rod is 56. Total material required units is 1,340, and fabric cushion 511, high quality plywood 20,435, and the steel rod is 134. So the class plan opening stock of material, stainless steel 360, fabric cushion is 140, high quality plywood is 5,490, and the steel rod is 36. So the total material to be purchased is 954 for the stainless steel. Fabric cushion is 371. High quality plywood is 40,945, and the steel rod is 98. Material price per unit, stainless steel is 15, fabric cushion is 50, high quality plywood is 4, steel rod is 40. Total material to be purchased is 14,310, fabric cushion is 18,550. So the high quality plywood is 59,780, and the steel rod is 3,920. For the direct labor budget for quarter 2 2026, 2-in-1 sofa, carpenter, finishing worker. Product required 53 units and 53 units for the finishing worker. Multiply with labor hours per unit, 6, and finishing worker 2. Total labor hours required is 318 and finishing worker 106. Wages rate per hour 14. For the finishing worker is 12. Total direct labor for the carpenter is 4,452, and for the finishing worker is 1,272. So for the premium wardrobe, assembly finishing worker required 49 units and 49 units for the finishing worker. So and multiply with the labor hours per unit is 5 and the finishing worker is 3. Total labor hours required is 245 and for the finishing worker is 147. And multiply with the wages rate per hour is 13 and 10. Total direct labor is 3,185 and 1,470. Okay, we go through to the production of a budget for quarter 2 2026. So the utility quarter 2 is 4,500 and wages generated is 4,800. Total variable production of cost is 9,300 and for the fixed depreciation or delivery VAT is 3,600, factory rent 80,000, machine maintenance 4,500 and total fixed production is 26,100. So we combine these two variable and fixed, total production of is 36,000. So we go through to the OHAR, 36,000 divided by 318 plus 106 plus 245 plus 147 and we got the 44 ringgit 12 cent per labor hours. For the cost per unit, 2-in-1 sofa bed, direct material is 102 for the premium wardrobe is 1,300, direct labor 108.95, absorb overhead is 352.96 cent, and the premium wardrobe is 352 and 96 cents. Total cost of the 2-in-1 sofa is 1,080.96 cents, and the premium wardrobe is 1,747 and 96 cents. So for the exhaustion costing income statement for 2-in-1 sofa bed, sales 102 459. So so of the cost of sale is 44,390 ringgit 36 cents. So gross profit is the 58,139 ringgit 64 cent. So for the other expenses cost, total is 47,550 ringgits and minus with the gross profit, and we got the net profit is 105,089 ringgits and 64 cent. So we go through to the premium wardrobe. So for the sale is 144,261 and for the cost of sale, opening stock 31,463 and 28 cent. For the production cost 85,650 ringgits and 4 cent, and for the closing stock is 48,942 and 88 cents. So for the gross profit we got is 68,170 and 44 cents. So for the other expenses cost, we got the 47,550 minus with the gross profit, and we got the net profit is 20,620 ringgit 44 cent.